Abena Eko and DH.
Na De 3 Eko nso ampa.
De Eko papa.
De Eko ne bon content ekwakwahwe.
Samon she De Eko mame.
De Eko. I was all shit because I know one Eko.
De Eko, baby making now be De Eko.
No. Your friend is of Mami na Hayford. Me yen century. Me say ye actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa. Na seba ma po me den ho dia. And one J-Fax mixture. Bonje. J-Fax mixture nti. Minisisi yare bia. E so flexible. Baby I will be to afa bia. Mitimi jina pabo atenten so. Just say J-Fax mama your best mu ankasa. Mini abema. Ebema wusu wa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji J-Fax mixture tumpre kopeni say. Edro no ho te. Ye de afa abefu nimdie kwan so. Eni fidie wonwosuom e na ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade. Enu wane J-Fax mixture. Edre wo benye bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi ebe ho. Na momitie. Enye ma pemfo oba a o ma akwala nofo. Ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu. J-Fax mixture. Pa.
Do you really want to live forever?
Ya kamfo tomato mama manfo saa ma obi obato saa se wotwa woni kura twa wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomato mfo ne tomato nkrofo a omo asisi omo dan a obi emi so obohwe wa mko ba bi pa ena yabo no bra tomato
to was at Sisia every tomato real estate and construction for na hold no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia who drop bebre tomato real estate and sasi papa fee
Can turn the pavement into white sand.
De Eko adofo mechia obibia sa abribia motena se mo hwe program e ma ne koso boko me da me sponsors ase mo de mbetena program so no ma momudina na ayete se manhye mo animonyam many aso de amoye mam J-Fax herbal mixture nyami enhira mo to mandem raw estate and construction nyami enhira mo na wotwin de wo kromfo Inyasem getwo akra kitfo bia oye rapper e wo Ghana ha sei eye ochia mi kofi ene ne yiri Stacy omo ba panyini bi akra na jese rapper otete de Inyasem getwo ye be kokroma akakore be beto ankomudi ni so
De Eko, baby making now be hunu De Eko.
CALISTA He's ESI under MIC. It's Calista, baby. My dad calls me music. If I can make, then you can make, then you can make. If I can make, then we can make. If I can make it, then we can make. If I can make it, then we can make. There's nothing too hard for me to do. The same goes for you too. When I feel like I don't have a clue, I pick up a can read. That's so true. I don't wanna score a 0 in the class. Science or math, my friends tease me, they will laugh. Every day I concentrate, that is why I'm never late. No, one day I wanna be great. In God I place my faith, and unto Him I will give my praise. There's time for everything, but now it's time for you to listen. Your teacher is teaching, so why in the back talking? Answer the question, answer the question. I wanna know. Answer the question, answer the question. Let's go. Don't let anything stop you. You're special. times now. Yes, my friend. Yeah. I know I can. I know I can. What about you? Learn hard, stay in school. Be a hero, that's so cool. Make hay while the sun shines. Prove to the world you're one of kind. All work and no play. Make Scully a dull girl. All play and no work. Make Scully a dumb girl. Little bit of this, little bit of that. That's what I'm talking about. Hard work is all it takes. Just remember, hard work pays.
Yako kurom aba se watch a video and jidi say oh edru ye Stacy any ochiame coffee nyame inshira mo pa se mon come over na talent anshe your sponsors ye da masiji first herbal mixture what's it papa order for so wontimi nkokwan so no ye be ma wosisi ya de anha ho kope G first herbal mixture na bibia ebe koso kama pa afese to mandom real estate and constructions so wo pass as a part of the mesre nko mfichire nkoto ansase bia ma bodyguards fo bia ma bum prepra nkun srew koto mandom real estate and constructions koto asase pa na bibia ebe koso kama pa so person who to mandom real estate and constructions I bet him out from 024358938 now bet him for G fast for so asoye so wo wholesale we so ye pharmacy bibia wo pe bi atu atonde for G fast herbal mixture it was 0261319895 mommy wow video we a rapper lo sika baby who is saying what you say yeah Jumet say
a good plan say like and say new bia na be money ba about entertainment name because new bia na dream papa fa so as long as omo timi guiding on money timi bibia correct no I think a very good idea
very good man now say
say she abedi pele kra ne me omo bobo nti me hwe we no anya me nwa kra
na che say ade amaami ana papa ye bia no ba betimi afa bi
easily
yes ye bobra pa yes ye mo akwa ba ever de eko so nansa ntwetwe ne ye hwe bibi say oba de ade no hwe e wo be ma ho ansa wa ka se be ma we de me ware no ma
our ready it takes the hand just nyame ena e hye ware say ye see de ani e hwe de aka de ye pe no ena ne ye beka no midi me she bema oje ne ye muze bema on ma common deal me be too stingy mo say thing ba me de bema on ma e common new bema otie me kasa obe din wetie me ansana ono de ne de aiden atoso ena structure wise so kame pepa say menya be ma oswa oh yes me de no no
dienti
me psychology kakra na me hu ni say be ma oswa no enye omu nyina de but most of them 70% utumi control no utumi kan sama ofa ma eyifo no me ka say hey
Pedro, Lucy. I don't know what it is.
No, I mean,
I say no more kind.
Oh, let me know, but say also Obiani how or Behuno, son or Penno. Like, and you're bad at all. Okay. And you're bad.
And so when he saying, dear, was so bad. Dear, no, who, yeah, woke one. Oh, what I am.
Well, first of all, maybe a very hard working guy. Obi bemo ye quadruple like a shedanye attractive sir. And I also knew Obia Obema vision. I like only like mukabum together, mutimi who future. Oh, like I mean nowadays more like say yeah pe chilling already, but it's a new bill so pe chilling like chilling to the end. Nothing will happen. So I also know Obia like nyansa eden. Yeah.
Sir, obi worry be ma ahofenti. Oda ahofenti be worry be ma.
Say
be man looks nti a open no
enye no nko an account cause say oba be man so share oba na so the looks nko an and then just like obedru age be na obeja one na so be kwa kofa wachi nti look na don't think say
looks no ehia pa e ti say me de na ya me kan e ti say me say me tia nti nkofa be ma tia me ba
be kuri
nti no aya na balance what I say and na be me bi o asem si no pie police station na say when your problem cry wo do ka kobo bi ka na e bia ya chewa na be ma ni pie ho a police for ni tumi ho be ma no hwe no so na oh vairako itumi si nti look say ni munyam be ma na ni munyam we ma bi ho pie fia ankra ma ni na adwane
nti see dey ahofe eto na ye discuss to na ye de su eto ho a say yibako nti apeso ware okuna obey dey me yi esu be isu yes Lucy obey dey
esu no me just say
character like the behavior
okay and
why you know unti ase kai obey dey
the character
yeah man Lucy ka say be character ye ko jin character ye ba sia.
Hello, your friend is of Abena Ghana Hayford. Me yen century me say ye actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa na se ban ma po me den ho dia. Eno ane Jifax mixture. Bonje. Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia. E so flexible. Baby I will beto afa bia. Mitimi jina pabo atenten so just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa me nua bema ebema ho so wa ye bema mapa senti a meji Jifax mixture tum preko pani say eduro no ho te ye de afa abafu nimde kwan so eni fidie wonwosoom e na aye ne frinchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade eno wane Jifax mixture eduro yi wo benya bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi e be ho na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu Jifax mixture pa pa pa.
Do you really want to live forever?
Ya kamfo tomato mama manfo saa ma obi obato saa se wotwa woni kura twa wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomato mfo ne tomato nkrofo a omo asisi omo dan a obi ya mi so obohwe wa mko ba bi pa ena ya bono bra tomato
to was at Sisia every tomato real estate and construction for na what no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia who drop bebre tomato real estate and sasi papa fee
Can turn the pavement to white sand.
ya kwa jinkrato aba afi no hwedwumadi din de dioko me anti dwom din de Abena Ghana na ne mpanyifuo bi na ehia wo fia me maame actress ma Felicia and Ghana's Nicki Minaj Lucika ene ye twetwe nkomo wo fia si maame ansa ba ko be rap baako ni wana aseso ne
it's a trend for exclusive ADP
ma edi adipa na attractive etwe ho ben wo kunu ho die ne ma no twe ben wo so se be ma we die me don't know
the way makoma me quick tempered enti the way
Martin fa bi wo
ai eba se aso kasi me na bufu na the way be act or a soft spoken person because I bro and mama come out to me and a mom me get attached to him pa
Lucy ade na twe ko boss
you be
kind.
well like maybe ever like so okay me very hot and on ever come but like on sinibu for but like with itiminya balance be and like I say on say as long as utimi edrun say like you don't see yourself without that person that means like you really have to be with that person so let me who say me new before for be a journey together
ansa na mo ba be ware no
yeah
o first date a one no have here tin na ko wadwenem
first date
obefa opie No.
We had so many days, because first days, because I don't. Okay, first date, yeah, fully like that. What interview be? So like it wasn't really a date.
What feel saying? I saw old show on there, but
I'm like, yeah, whatever. Let's see. So wait me do stage now, penna.
Sign you.
Yeah, whatever.
Sign you.
Like whatever.
Ma, what's that?
You share a party, I say. Na party ni a number party. Na till daybreak. Na and then mommy and son and every me party. I was very beautiful. Hey, and na me mommy and son and I pay me party na say. But not me no any so gidi ba no. No, I was already my catch was on the probia or ye gentle. Until Tivona na me make friend say me and son. Yes, I be 10 minutes be na. Or what's a certain say. No, I me number. It's in the next day, na me can't see me feeling.
Oh, say, hey, ma, there will be a key.
Oh, yes,
there will be a
mommy and son.
It's where the band panu kukaye. It is sweetness thing, pana, or husband. I can't show what to work now.
Well, like, the Biana or Castle, like, also sometimes, yeah, Mayana, you have issues like with ourselves. Maybe I'm not feeling beautiful, me say, but or no catch him say like, and me per se, but like me so and ope. Like I felt it was really cute. So because say it doesn't matter how I look, but
and fun of
it's still I be.
Dear some fun of that show.
One day Obama me shoot topa not in a cam, but or fancy na mini umbrella or fancy a bad. So now I won't try me soon. And you'll say sacrifice, and I'll say I was created for you. Aww. And I felt like the whole world is coming down.
I'm feeling it. Baby, tell me that. I'm feeling it.
Sir. Oh, Daddy, this is beautiful. My blow Daddy kiss. I love you. Blow Daddy kiss.
Yeah, they ain't gonna kiss. They're gonna French for the.
Oh my God. Advice then, no debema. I should fly share. Yes, yeah. Or modern pempen so mo fa bema. So mo hankani.
I dey make catch show when say na memoir because there were hidden characters. So we are just running it about 10 years.
Yeah.
And sana we hone shoot. But on your memoir na mo hu bema. O super papa bema or be boa wa brabo bema o feel say uni home pa on your bonnet.
Yeah.
What's a day now be catch it?
Mark be brain I'm so me the bet twice on say understanding a crow and a patience.
And a patience.
Yeah.
A key.
Because guys some up a crow like they are babies. So also treat
baby, sorry.
Yeah, even those like we jump I don't like okay, I'm saying that but like sometimes me and I go well
you go gaga,
I know right? But still I mean who's say like patience is a key word, like you know.
Yeah. Patience a key word. You want to drink to chat over. You better do so.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century me say actress and then you ma who do pee keka ho and na medwuma dinti ma po me den ho hia me papa na se bad ma po me den ho dia eno ane Jifax mixture bonje Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia e so flexible baby I wo beto afa bia mitimi jina papa tenten so just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa mini abema Ebema wusuwa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jifax mixture tumpreko pene say. Edro no hote ye de afa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie wonwosuom ena ye ne Frenchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane Jifax mixture. Edre wo benye bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi ebe ho. Na momitie enye ma pemfo oba a ma akwala nofo ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu. Jifax mixture pa.
Do you really want to live forever?
Ya kamfo tomadom amamanfo saa ma obi a obato asase se wutwa woni kura hwe wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomadom fo ne toman krofo a omo asisi omo dan a obi ya mi so omo hwe wan ko ba bi pa ena ya bono bra tomadom
to asase sia every tomadom real estate and construction for na hold no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia hudro bebre tomadom real estate and sasi proper fee
can turn the pavement to white sand.
Yakwaje nkratwo aba afi no hwedwumadi din de dio community job ndi Abena Ghana ene nkomo twetwe no afutuo ewo mu ampansrew wotifiere wo hwa afutuo na beboa wabrabo. Lucy, last words to your fans, your loved ones, daddy, everybody, and chia.
Well, so like when we call out of the scene at church, so like I think say a lot of people would just say me worry. Also, would just say worry. That's the thing. Worry, your life is not over.
Yes, I say that didn't me ish. This Nicki Minaj.
I mean, I'm young. This year I'm 24. So like I mean, there are so more things ahead. I know when you look at me, well, who are?
So I was me a baby. Baby.
So like I mean, they should just look out for me. More things ahead this year, and you know, be faithful.
Good.
My husband, I mean, it's a program you're back on YouTube, but as someone person me catch and say, I would love him to my. It's to say my last breath. My last breath.
Oh my God, I'm feeling it.
I love you.
You feeling what?
Oh, I'm feeling it. Yeah, abire we ya na je se what na say. Sa abire ndi amope pa kwa so mpese mosre. Ma achede fefefe bi wa de obi di car, obi di dan hye. Aha, nsro. Wa hwa na ware. Lucy. Ne wa yi ba kwa mam. Uda yiro ho. Erade ma onyi dia wo mpese obeyi. Benya chewing gum. Ma we dey idea kwa hwefo say me ma wonhwe camera yi mu na won present it as a newscaster say entertainment who news no wo ma wo say nwum to ana say movies as a newscaster can be kire ahwefo
te me hwe camera
na pose sadia news for me na
De Eko TV ni e da masesa mo hwe de odi animu a ye frɛ no Abena Ghana ewom se oware wanka nche obia nenso eno de ye de beche nansa the questions bi wo hɔ a accept obisa question na otumi hu sa wo se achew in fact ono na ye the best presenter oya de pa nti mun koso a na mon hwɛ De Eko TV e commercial break.
Thank you, mommy. We are going commercial break. Hey, Radi. I said we dem have the first now. Me who say say we fa ho. Hey, Radi, Lucy yi mama. Also, okra no to ma pade e fra brochire brem. Say me fa nwa ba yi me o de o chire. I say behave like you're playing guitar and you look so happy. Behave we say obo guitar so when you aje like you understand. And so you get up you look like so do it.
You never bought romantic guitar. Yes, superb.
You must see some buy. You watch it if a fair figure ha. You the man. You petit panty ja. De Eko for some for copy and mouth fe. Mommy. The coffee and mouth. It is so fear. Now they are eating a mother. Why?
That's Eko.
Hey, welcome on back on that's it. Hey, Nadia, you.
And so when you in a cover combatants sometimes.
I want to Kronkasa and the work about and that's it. You don't be asked social program in I J. I just say, me who the Amen Comeniaji will be our show. So, what's out if you are watching him so when the Aji? Coswana should Dioko Abribia, Nayawaniama Pankani, Adibra, yet I sponsors G for Seba Mesha, and it's a Mandam Raw Estate and Construction. That's a net your best air share with Jumadieso. Onia Mesro, Fakuma Pananti, what's in Akuma Pa Ebi coin. Yami Enshira will be there.
Deko, bedi mechina me mahunu Deko, bedi mechina ube hunu Deko, bedi mechina me mahunu Deko, bedi mechina ube hunu Deko. I had them a treme gem, them me di many me huna meka, Abena Ghana, matreme gem, them me di masubetina meka. You will come, yente di aman foka. No betty was Betty Eko, Deko, bedi mechina me mahunu